All my native street walking sisters at the night time. You gotta watch at the door or get the wrong mister and he's gonna cut off your lifeline. Yo, this is the truth because Josama cares. When you think nobody else will, then you see who the fuck is really there. It was another cold black starry night and I see my homegirl standing at the lights selling her ass for another hit of crack. God damn, this shit is whack and it's not right. So how the fuck do I make this shit stop? I give her 520s a Glock and I said let's go through it the whole motherfucking block. Cause I don't wanna hear you got dropped and popped, murked by a motherfucking Turk or some kind of motherfucking asshole jerk. Jumping in and out of cars or sucking hammer in the bars. Hell no, don't degrade yourself like that. I see you were raised with much more class. Your family and shit, they want you back. Pulling tricks is not a way to live. For another sis who is beautiful and native. You know goddamn well the whitey hates us. The reason why we're dubs, gangsters, and thugs. Girl, your body is priceless. So get the hell out of this business, cause you don't belong in it. You're a native queen, to me you ain't no fiend. We just living in a bad dream. Products of the sin, genocidal, assimilation. Feeling like the most hated nation. We got every motherfucking right to bang these Glocks and own the night. So that's where we pull our shit. Dubs up in it, boot up, doing it, pop. Native queens, acting like crack fiends, selling your ass at the corners for another blast. Think about the burners that's gonna happen. Think about your family that's gonna get saddened. Think about those motherfuckers that are out to murk all their motherfucking sisters. Get out of that game. Yo, homegirl, don't sell your ass for a hit, because I have better ways so you can make it. Just roll with this motherfucking dubness, where I'm gonna be a guy very true to darkness. And don't worry about the cops, because our punk ass motherfucks, all those fools get dropped if they wanna fuck around with us. But I don't want you singing your own ass. You got more motherfucking class. Come on, native queen, what the fuck? Smarten up and get the fuck out of this bad dream. Just wake up spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and fucking consciously. And then you're gonna see with your third eye the way it goes, and the ways are homicides and making our people die. This shit ain't right, and I'm just telling you to get the fuck out of the shit that you're involved with, because you belong otherwheres than that. Another night went by, I heard another fucking drive-by, and I seen all that shit. I seen the cops and I wondered why. Ah shit, I found him, my homegirl got dropped. I ran up to the scene, I pulled the fucking sheet off of her, so I see her face as she was slain. God damn, I cannot say the way I was feeling, because I can't go back like that. It brings back too much traumas and shit that attack my fucking sanity system. It makes me go to the range and want to kill all these white men, because I know what they are doing to our women. All my native queens, acting like crack fiends, selling your ass at the corners for another blast. Think about the burners that's gonna happen. Think about your family that's gonna get saddened. Think about those motherfuckers that are out to murk all their motherfucking sisters. Get out of that game.